ITC Limited, one of India's leading corporations, has come a long way from its beginnings as a tobacco giant. Over the decades, it has transformed into a diversified conglomerate, spreading its wings across FMCG, hospitality, agribusiness, and sustainable packaging. How did ITC achieve this monumental shift? Let's dive in. In the 1970s and 80s, ITC, primarily known for its Gold Flake cigarettes, realized the risks of being overly dependent on tobacco. Increasing regulations and changing consumer preferences prompted ITC to explore the fast-moving consumer goods sector. This shift wasn't just about diversification. It was a strategic move to ensure sustainable growth. Today, ITC's FMCG brands like Sunfeast, Yippee, and Fiamma contribute 50% to the company's overall revenue. To understand the financial benefits of ITC's move into FMCG, we can break down the growth of its FMCG sector over time. Below is a comparison of ITC's revenue contributions from tobacco and FMCG over the past few years. Year 2015, revenue from FMCG is 10,000 crores, revenue from tobacco is 15,000 crores, FMCG revenue growth is 10%, and tobacco revenue growth is 5%. Year 2016, revenue from FMCG is 12,000 crores, revenue from tobacco is 14,800 crores, FMCG revenue growth is 15%, and tobacco revenue growth is 2%. Year 2017, revenue from FMCG is 13,500 crores, revenue from tobacco is 15,500 crores, FMCG revenue growth is 12%, and tobacco revenue growth is 3%. Year 2018, revenue from FMCG is 14,500 crores. Revenue from tobacco is 15,800 crores. FMCG revenue growth is 7%, and tobacco revenue growth is 2%. Year 2019, revenue from FMCG is 16,000 crores. Revenue from tobacco is 16,000 crores. FMCG revenue growth is 10%, and tobacco revenue growth is 0%. Year 2020, revenue from FMCG is 17,500 crores. Revenue from tobacco is 16,500 crores. FMCG revenue growth is 9%, and tobacco revenue growth is 2%. 2. Hotels and hospitality. ITC ventured into hospitality in the 1970s, establishing ITC Hotels as a luxury brand. Iconic properties like ITC Moria and ITC Grand Chola showcase the company's premium offerings. Despite challenges like the pandemic, the division achieved steady revenue growth. Year 2015, revenue from hotels is 2,000 crores. Year 2020, revenue from hotels is 3,000 crores. Profit margins also improved from 15% in 2015 to 18% in 2020. With expansions into Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities and a focus on sustainability, ITC Hotels continues to cater to eco-conscious luxury travelers. 3. Paperboards and packaging, a sustainable move. ITC's paperboard division has become a leader in eco-friendly solutions, producing recyclable and sustainable packaging materials. Its profit margins grew from 14% in 2015 to 17% in 2020, contributing 10% to overall revenue. With increasing global demand for sustainable packaging, this segment is poised for further growth. 4th, Agribusiness and eChopal Initiative. ITC's agribusiness division leverages the eChopal initiative, launched in 2000, to empower farmers with market prices, weather forecasts, and sustainable farming practices. By sourcing key raw materials directly, ITC has strengthened its supply chain while boosting rural productivity. Year 2015, agribusiness revenue, 9,500 crores. Year 2020, agribusiness revenue, 12,500 crores. The initiative benefits farmers by offering fair prices and improving crop quality, making agribusiness a vital revenue stream contributing 5% to ITC's total earnings. Future outlook. ITC's diversification strategy focuses on expanding the FMCG portfolio in health and wellness, growing the hospitality footprint in untapped markets, advancing sustainable packaging solutions, leveraging technology for agricultural empowerment. As ITC continues to adapt to market trends and prioritize sustainability, its diversified approach ensures steady growth while reducing dependence on tobacco.
If you're a trader following market calls and tips for day trading, use our tool RNT, Research and Trade. All you have to do is link RNT to your trading account, then just sit and relax. Turn trading into business at app.gwcindia.live. Check out description for more details.
Disclaimer: investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.